fast. Buongiorno! Welcome to my channel. I don't know why I was Italian all of a sudden. I mean, I am Italian, but I'm not from Italy, and I don't speak Italian, so I don't know why all of a sudden I was trying to act like an Italian. Anyway, I digress. Happy Pride Month, everybody!
You know why tonight's fun? Because everyone's so gay. Everyone is just who they are, and who they are is just stone cold gay.
Yay! I love Pride Month. It's a wonderful month. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I really was trying to figure out like the right opportunity to do this and all that stuff, and Pride Month came, and I was like, well, this is the perfect opportunity to do this episode that I'm going to do today. Obviously, I'm a trans woman, and I am part of the motorcycling community. I'm not going to lie, being a trans woman in the motorcycle community was something I did think about. I had concerns, mild concerns, that maybe, possibly, I may not be accepted. And I have to be honest, I don't really know why I thought that. You should always give people the benefit of the doubt and give them a chance before you judge them. I have been so incredibly accepted in the motorcycle community as a trans woman. And for the most part, it doesn't even seem to be a thing. Like, well, first off, nobody's ever questioned me about it, or talked to me about it, or mentioned it, or acted weird to me in a way that I associated with me being trans. Every single person I meet, every single person I talk to, interact with, is freaking really fucking amazing. And they've been accepting, and, like, again, they don't even mention it. I don't even know that there's even a person who has ever made me feel uncomfortable as a trans woman in my life outside of the motorcycle community. Me being a trans woman comes up a lot. You know, people ask me a lot of inappropriate questions and say inappropriate things in my presence. So in my normal life, it's prevalent how much me being a trans person affects my interactions with folks. But in the motorcycle community, I haven't even gotten a taste of what that is like. Because what comes first, the fact I'm a motorcycle rider, that's first. So my safety and my equipment is first. That's the first thing people see about me. That's the first thing people talk about. It's the first thing that starts a conversation. I've had a large number of people strike up conversations with me about my bike, about my gear, you know, about my cameras or whatever, and that's it. That's the only thing that they're concerned about. They don't care that I'm a trans woman. They don't care about politics. They don't care about any of that. They only care for my safety, and they are interested in, you know, my equipment, and that's legit. That's fucking awesome. I have to say that I am 100% wrong to have any kind of doubt, I guess, is what I'm trying to get to. So in celebration of Pride Month, I wanted to take this opportunity to say how fucking amazing the motorcycle community has been to me as a trans woman. So thank you. You all are fucking amazing. Thank you for accepting me, for looking past my sexual identity, my gender identity, and just seeing me as a human, seeing me as a motorcycle rider, someone that you don't want to see get hurt on the road. It's a lovely, lovely acceptance that you're all bestowing upon me, and I want to say thank you to every single one of you, because my motorcycling experience has been amazing so far. I've only been riding since January. It's now June, so not quite even 6 months. I mean, I rode motorcycles since I was a kid, but never a street rider. I was never a street rider until January of this year. So not even 6 months, but I've been getting around. And you were watching my channel, you've noticed I have gone all in on motorcycles. It's a way of life for me now. And I just have to be honest. I appreciate all of you for accepting me into the team. So yes, the motorcycle community has been pretty f***ing amazing, and I shouldn't be surprised. Again, that's on me. That's my flaw. I made a terrible assumption, and I was proven pleasantly wrong. You know. So yeah, to all of you in the motorcycle community, thank you for being so incredibly accepting and wonderful and just treating me like a normal f***ing person and not treating me like a special case. It means more to me than you could understand. And I think this goes for everyone in the queer community is we appreciate it more than anything when we're just treated like a normal person and not a special case. You know what I mean? Contrary to popular belief, the majority of trans people and queer people, we don't want special treatment. We want to just be treated like everybody else. You all do exactly that. You treat me anyway. I can't speak for anybody else. You treat me like everyone else, just like a normal motorcycle rider. So thank you for being so gracious and accepting. Happy Pride, everybody. Celebrate safe. Let's have a wonderful, wonderful month of June, everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell for notifications, because I try to upload every week. Didn't upload last week, it was Memorial Day. I took the week off. But I do try to get an upload up every week. Thanks for tuning in with me on this short little video, and I will catch you on the next one. As always, ride safe. Peace.